guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got this BMW 4 Series, which is a luxury edition 4 Series, as you can see, with the front bumpers being pretty standard, the rear bumpers being pretty standard, and the whole car having a standard chassis. So we're going to get this changed at Alpha Customs, and we're going to get the whole front bumper changed to M Sport, back bumper changed to M Sport, side skirts, grills, and you name it. So we're going to go around the car right now. We're going to show you guys how the car looks right now, and then you're going to see maybe 3 to 4 videos on the series where we're just doing up the car, and it's going to come out with a final beautiful looking car. So I can't wait for this final version of this car, and same with the customer. So the customer is actually getting married in 2 weeks time, and he wants to get this car done up for his wedding. So hopefully we can get that done for him at Alpha Customs today, or throughout this week, and hopefully he has all smiles and happy faces when he comes to collect the car. So let me show you guys around. So let's start off with the back. So as you can see, the back has a pretty standard bumper, and this is from the luxury edition, so we're going to get this changed. And as you can see, this has sensors, so we're going to replace the sensors on the actual bumper and we'll put it onto the new M Sport bumper. However, this customer wants to get his exhaust done, so we're not going to install the diffuser just yet. However, we're going to supply him with the diffuser so that he can get it installed once he changes his exhaust, straight after us changing the bumper for him. So as you can see on the back, when I unlock the car, the lights come on. However, the number plate lights are not that bright, and we want this to be nice and bright so it shines on the plate. So we're going to get these changed to 18 LED bulbs, which are going to be shining on the actual plate, making it look nicer during the night, and it's going to light up the whole road for this customer. So that's what we're going to do on the back. Then we're going to go onto the side, and I'll show you guys what we're going to do on the side and the front, and then we're going to finalize this car by coding it and unlocking all the hidden features that are possible on this actual car. As well as this, I forgot to mention one thing. We're going to debadge this car so the 420i gets removed and it gives a fresh look to the back. So for the sides, we're going to add side extensions, which are going to be in gloss black, and these are going to come under the existing side skirt, so it adds a little bit of profile under the side skirts to make it look lower, even though the car is not getting lowered. So that's going to be done on the side, and that's it. And then we're going to change the side mirror caps to gloss black, and we're going to add sequential lights to the actual mirrors too. So these cars are actually called a luxury edition for a reason. As you can see, the interior looks very nice on this car. On M Sport cars, these seats are pretty rare. You mainly get like beige or ivory white or black seats. As for these luxury editions, you get all sorts of nice colours. Next bit we're going to get changed are these mirror caps. We're going to change these to gloss black. As well as this, we're going to change the signals to sequential lights. So if you see right now, they're just blinking normally, but we're going to make it so it does a little dynamic signal, and it starts from here and finishes here each time the person signals or he puts his hazard lights on. So last but not least, we're going to change the whole front end. We're going to put a new M Sport bumper with a splitter, which is going to be in gloss black, as well as gloss black grills, and we're going to change the air ducts, LED fog lights, and the duct that goes in the middle in front of the actual radiator bit, and that's all going to convert the front end of the car. And one thing I forgot to mention at the back is that we're going to add a lip spoiler onto the boot so that it gives the finishing touches for the car. So hopefully I've mentioned each and everything that I'm going to be doing. If I haven't, you're going to find out along the video. However, in between doing the videos, I might come up with small little bits that I would add for the customer, or he might ask me to do an additional thing which I haven't recorded in this video. However, I will document each and everything that is getting done on this car. So this is it for this video, and let me show you a little cinematic video of the car, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment, be part of this Alpha Customs journey, and stay subscribed so that you can see the actual progress of this car and the customer's reaction when it comes to collect the car. So till next time, peace.